Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're diving into the world of website building with Duda. If you've been searching for an easy-to-use platform to create stunning websites without the need for coding, you're in the right place. Stick around as we explore Duda's features, design compatibilities, pricing, and even some alternatives as well. So let's get started. So let's talk a little bit about Duda. Duda is a website builder and white label website platform that enables businesses and digital agencies to create free, easily, and managed responsive websites. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, allowing individuals with little or no coding knowledge to build professional websites with ease. Some key features of Duda include a responsive design. So Duda's websites are mobile responsive, which means that they automatically adapt to different screen sizes, such as smartphones, tablets, and desktops, providing an optimal viewing experience for users across different devices. Duda also offers a drag-and-drop editor, allowing users to create web pages by simply dragging and dropping elements like text, images, buttons, and widgets onto the canvas. This approach makes it straightforward to design websites without requiring coding skills. Duda provides a range of pre-built widgets and apps that users can easily integrate into their websites. These widgets might include contact forms, social media buttons, galleries, and more, enhancing the functionality and user experience of the site. Duda is known for its white label capabilities, enabling agencies and businesses to rebrand the platform and present it as their own website builder. This feature allows them to offer web design services to their clients under their own brand name. Duda also facilitates team collaboration, and this allows multiple users to work together on a website project. This can be especially useful for agencies to work together or businesses with various team members working on different aspects of website creation. Duda also allows users to set up and manage online stores, making it suitable for businesses that wish to sell products or services through their website. The platform also includes basic SEO optimization features, enabling users to optimize their websites for better search engine visibility. Duda provides website analytics that offers insights into the website performance, visitor behavior, and other important metrics. Since the digital landscape is ever evolving, it's possible that Duda has undergone updates or introduced new features since this update. So we'll also go over how to get started and how to actually use the platform as well. So let's get started creating our Duda account and creating a website. So first thing that you want to do is go onto the Duda website. So this is just duda.com. And this is essentially the homepage, and you can see examples of how Duda can be used and by which popular websites Duda can power as well. If you go into the template section, you can see all of the beautiful templates that Duda offer, and you can view them in different responsive modes as well. So whether what the tablet view is, mobile view, you can view that as well before even applying the template. So what you want to do first, there's two ways to get started. You can either start a free trial, create an account that way, or you can start off with the template as well and pick a template that you like the look of and start that way as well. Either way, you will be needing to create an account. It's just with the template you can sort of get started and then create an account as well. With the template, you can see you can start with different categories. So if the industry that you're in is like a travel industry or a lifestyle industry, you can pick templates based on that, and that way it gives you a good starting point. You can also start off with a blank template as well. The good thing about starting off with a template is that you can start off with an already sort of set up website and then change the content, change the color as you need, but at least you're not starting off with a blank slate. They also have templates for one-page websites, and that's really good for if you're wanting to just a simple landing page for now. And then you can build that into a multi-page website as well. So in this example, we'll pick one of the lifestyle websites. And you can go through each of them and see which one that you prefer really. What you can do with each of them is click on preview, so not actually apply the template yet, but you can preview them on different devices if you want to see what it looks like on desktop. So you can see the full preview here, on tablet as well, mobile, all of that is kind of set up for you. Once you're happy with the template, all you need to do is just go over to the template and just click on start building to actually use that template for your first website. At this point, it'll ask you to set up an account. Now, it's important to note that Duda is free for 14 days, so it gives you a 2-week trial essentially. After that, you wouldn't be able to make any edits to your site. You will need to purchase a plan in order to continue editing your site and then pushing it live. So the 14 days will start as soon as you create an account and click on Start Now. The only thing that you need to create an account and start using Duda is just a name, email, and a password. You don't even need a credit card. Once you've added in your name and your email, it'll ask you to just verify the account in your email. And that's it. Once your account is verified, you'll be taken to your dashboard and you'll be given some questions to help set up your account. So what kind of business you are, what kind of industry you're in, and things like that. And you just want to answer them so Duda can give you the best relevant sort of features as well as website help as well. So you can see up here, this is your dashboard. All of your websites will be labeled here. All of your client billing, client management, and white labeling will be managed here as well. You can see at the top your free trial ends in 14 days, so you can keep an eye out when your free trial actually ends. So you want to just click on create a site, and you want to decide what kind of site that you want to create. If it's just a landing page, a lifestyle, portfolio, business site, online store, things like that. And then you'll be taken to the templates that we've seen earlier, and all you need to do is just pick a template that you want. It's a little bit more fine-tuned once you create your account and do it from the dashboard, because you can pick between different categories. You can also filter by different colors. If you know that there's a certain color that you want definitely on your website, then you can do that as well. So it's a bit more flexible in that you can do it that way as well. So once you have decided on a template that you like, you just want to click on Start Building and give the name of your website. And then Duda will then apply your template, and then you'll be able to start creating your website and editing as you need. So this is the Duda editor. So you can see the template that we selected has been set up here, and it's in the edit mode, meaning that when we hover over certain things, you can see there's different things that we can edit as well. And you can see all of the header links as well, and it makes it kind of really easy to edit. On the left hand side here, you've got the actual tools that you need and the features that you need to build out your pages. This is separated by theme, pages, widgets, content, e-commerce, personalized, membership, blog, app store, and SEO and settings. You won't need all of these, especially so if you're not using e-commerce on your site, then you won't need the e-commerce tab. It's just there in case you ever wanted to add it. And then along the top you have the different switchers, so you can switch between different screen sizes to see how it looks on screen sizes. You can switch between different pages if you have multiple pages, and you can also preview, publish, and get help wherever you need as well. When you first have your Duda website set up, the first thing you want to do is go into theme, and you want to update the colors and the buttons and the text being used. You essentially want to update the brand palette, because while this layout may be something that you're happy with, it might not match the actual color scheme that you have. So it's really important that you update the site colors here as well. The way the site colors work is that there's primary colors, secondary colors, and then there's other colors that you can use as well. And the way these work is that certain colors will use the primary color, certain elements will use the secondary color, certain elements will use color 4, 5, 6, and 7. So anywhere that's using the secondary color, you just want to update it here so that all the secondary colors change at one time. You don't have to go through each and change each of the elements that's using secondary colors. So it's best just to do the color picks as well. So for example, this bright blue is a secondary color, but maybe I don't want it as bright blue. Maybe there's a different shade of color that I want, and you can see that's being updated here. And that's it. So you can see that bright blue is being updated as well. So you want to go in and change the colors. The next thing that you want to do is update the text. So this is the text that's being used. This is the default text, it's pop-ins, and then this is the styling of it. the size, font weight, things like that. Then you've got the paragraph text is also pop-ins. Then you've got the H1. So for example, maybe the H1, I don't want it that big. So it updates all of the heading ones that's being used on of the site, and it'll update it to the sizing and the style that I want it as well. So you want to make sure that you're using, when you're adding in elements, you're not doing the styling individually, you're doing the styling based on what font type it is and what color section it's using as well. Saying that, you can also update the buttons. There's 2 button styles, and it's up to you if you want the primary button to look like this and your secondary button as well. So it just means that when it comes to button styling, you don't have to style each button individually. You can either pick a button to be the primary style or the secondary style, and then if you ever wanted to change what the secondary style looks like, you just need to update it in one place, and then it'll change in all the places as well. And then what you want to do, so everything automatically updates, and you can check up here as well, all changes are saved. So every time you make a change, it does save automatically. There is an undo button here. You can undo your last edit, and you can redo your last edit as well. But that's the first thing that you want to do whenever your site is first set up. You want to change the colors and change the branding. The next thing that you might want to do is actually update the layout. So for example, maybe you don't need some of the layouts that's here, or maybe you want to add a section that's not here. So what you want to do is, for example, if I wanted to add another text and paragraph section in this section here, what I'm going to do is scroll down to the section where I want to add, and I want to click on add section. And it's up to you how you want to do this. You can pick an intro here. You can also do a custom section and build your own section. But the other option then is to pick a section that's already been built. So for example, if I go into text blocks, you can see I've got text blocks here, and it means then I can just sort of work with something that's already been built and update the layout, update the content. So for example, I'm going to click on this section here, and this is where it is, and I'm going to click on save section. So now it's added a simple text section here, but maybe as part of the section I also want to add an image. So what I'm going to do is scroll down to the section that's here, and then I'm going to go into widgets on the left, and you can see all of the popular widgets that I can use on the website, and I can add these widgets anywhere on the screen, and it's separated into the type of widget. So is it a business widget, media, a basic widget, and things like that. So what I'm going to do is look for the image widget, and I'm going to click and just drag that on to wherever I want it. I want it to add it here. And then the only thing I need to do now is actually add an image. So I'm going to click on add image here, and I can pick an image that's already in the library picker, or I can look at free images, or I can upload my own images. If I click on upload and upload my own image. Once I've uploaded an image, you just want to click on select on the image, and you can see the image is being updated here. If I click on the design, I can change things like the width of it, so it's quite big, so I'm going to decrease the width of it so it's a little bit smaller. I use a slider, or I can use the actual text box to do an exact width of the image that I want. You can give it a border, you can give it a shadow, and things like that. Also with the design, with the image, you can link it as well. You can give it alt text, which is something that we recommend for SEO, the alternative text. And you can link it as well to another page or something else on the website. But in terms of building out your own section, in terms of adding new pages, adding new sections, it's really simple with the editor. With Duda, it's simply just drag and drop, or just add in a section that's already been built for you. And then once you're happy with everything, you always make sure to preview your site on all devices, and just make sure that it's always responsive and nothing's been cut off, nothing's been breaking out of the container or anything like that. And that's it. It's a really simple editor. It's really simple to just drag and drop things, build things, and remove things that you don't need. So now let's talk a little bit of Duda's pricing. As mentioned before, Duda does have a 2-week free trial, but then after that you wouldn't be able to make any changes to your website until you buy a plan. So these are Duda's plans. It's important to note that as of right now, you can save 25% if you were to be billed annually as opposed to monthly. So automatically you're seeing this is the annual plan pricing, and this is the monthly pricing if you wanted to see. But you do save a little bit more with the annual pricing. You save up to 25%. But these are Duda's plans. They are separated between basic plan, team plan, and agency plan, and a white label plan, and this is the one where you can change the labeling so that it's using all of your own branding, and you get the 14-day free trial for that as well. The basic plan was designed for individuals or small businesses looking to create a single website. It includes very essential features like the drag and drop website builder. It has hosting, SSL security, and email support as well, and that comes to about $14 USD. Then you've got the team plan, which was suitable for small to medium businesses and agencies. This allows up to multiple team members to collaborate on a website, but you do only just get the one website still with the team plan as well. But it allows you to have client management and client billing as well. And then you have the agency plan, and this is designed specifically for web design and marketing agencies. You still have the widget builder, and you have the client management and client billing. You can have up to 10 team members collaborate on one site, and you have up to 4 sites as well that you can create. Then you have the white label plan, and this has more of the custom platform domain and the branded client communication. The white label plan allows you to change all of the labeling of Duda and just change it to your own, creating a more professional look as well. Duda do also offer the option of custom pricing. So if you have a really specific need, maybe it's a specific number of websites that you need hosted, certain features that you need, you can contact them and they can create a custom plan for you. The pricing on that would generally depend on a budget that you both can agree on, and then the features that you need. But essentially, it'll be a custom plan, and that you'll be able to talk to them and be able to create a plan that suits your needs exactly. If you scroll down a little bit further, you can see a little bit more about the features that you get between each plan, and what features that you can get for each of them as well. So overall, it's not too bad price-wise. The main downside, I would say, for Duda is that the pricing can be a lot, and you don't get a lot of websites, even the agency pricing. Unless you go custom, the most that you can have on one account is 4 sites, and that might not be enough for an agency. If you're a personal developer, if you just have one website, then fair enough, you can use the basic or the team, but 4 websites might not be enough for a person, so it's up to you how you want to select that as well. So in terms of alternatives, there are several alternatives to Duda in terms of website building and content management systems that you can look at as a different alternative compared to it. A really popular example is Wix. Wix is a widely recognized website builder that offers a really powerful drag and drop editor, a huge variety of templates, and a range of features suitable for individuals, small businesses, and e-commerce ventures. If you want to find out more about Wix, we have a full playlist about Wix, how to build a site, how to build e-commerce sites, how to pick a template, and things like that. So definitely one that's worth looking into as well. Another hugely popular website builder is Squarespace. It's a really popular all-in-one website builder known for its elegant designs, user-friendly interface. It has a selection of customizable templates as well as a drag and drop builder that's suitable for artists, creatives, and small businesses as well. Shopify is a specialized e-commerce platform that focuses on creating and managing online stores. It offers a wide range of features tailored to e-commerce needs, and it's ideal for businesses looking to sell products online. So Shopify would be specifically for e-commerce, and because of that, they're quite dedicated to that and making sure the platform is optimized for e-commerce businesses as well. So it might be a better option to go for. And that wraps up our overview of Duda, the user-friendly website builder that puts the power of design in your hands. If you've enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or comments about Duda or any other website builders, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.